If you are in 7 Excel, we are working from the Advanced 2 textbook. If you are in Math 8, we are working from the Course 3 textbook. We are doing lesson 6.3, example 4, page 260. Okay, there's a couple of things I want to review with you first. When we're dealing with linear equations or linear functions, we know that it's y equals mx plus b. We know m is the slope and b is our y-intercept. But let's break this down even further. Y equals, the slope is change in y over change in x times x plus b. Okay? So when we look at this problem, the earnings, y in dollars, of a nighttime employee working X hours are represented by the linear function y equals 7.5x plus 30. The table shows the earnings of a daytime employee. And here they're telling us X is equal to hours and Y is equal to dollars. So Y is equal to dollars and X is equal to hours. The problem is telling us that. So what does this mean with regards to this equation? Well, it means the dollars earned is equal to the dollars per hour times the number of hours plus B, plus the bonus, or plus where they're starting at. Okay? So we need to break down what y equals mx plus b means. We know m is the slope, but what does that mean? It means the change in y over the change in x. Well, if y is dollars and x is hours, it means dollars per hour. So what this is telling us is the total number of dollars earned is equal to the slope, which is dollars per hour, times the number of hours, plus the bonus, or wherever we're starting. Okay? So here, we're talking about nighttime employees. This is the linear function that represents nighttime employees. So nighttime is y equals 7.5x plus 30. Let's break this down. What does this equation mean? It means the total dollars that they earn, this is dollars over hours times the number of hours plus this bonus. This is what's going on. So the total dollars they earn is equal to the dollars per hour times the number of hours plus the bonus. So our dollars are equal to $7.50 per hour times the number of hours plus this $30 bonus. That's what's going on here. So the slope is telling me how many dollars per hour they earn. So nighttime employees earn $7.50 per hour. Okay. Now, they gave us this table for daytime employees. So I need to figure out the linear function for daytime employees. So I'm going to use 2 points. One, 12.5, and 2, 25. These are the 2 points I want to use for my daytime employees. So daytime employees, 1, 12.5. So 1 hour, 12.5, 2 hours, $25. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So we're going to take 25 minus 1250 over 2 minus 1. So 1250 over 1. This is my slope. So y equals mx plus b. This is dollars equals dollars over hours, that's my slope, times hours plus this bonus, whatever that bonus is. So the total number of dollars is equal to, my slope is 12.50, $12.50 per hour times the number of hours plus this bonus. Remember, dollars is Y. Dollars is Y. So my slope is $12.50 per hour. So this is telling me my slope, $12.50 per hour. So the daytime people are making $12.50 per hour. The nighttime people are making $7.50 per hour. But they get this $30 bonus. So they make less per hour, but they get this $30 bonus. The daytime guys are making $12.50 per hour, but there is no bonus for them. They don't get a bonus. So when we look at this, who has a higher hourly wage? $7.50 per hour or $12.50 per hour? Who has a higher hourly wage? When we look at the slopes, we can see the daytime has a higher hourly wage at $12.50 per hour. So the daytime definitely has a higher hourly wage. We're looking at the slope, $12.50 per hour versus $7.50 per hour. But the nighttime people here get this bonus that the daytime people don't get. So we want to graph both of these. We're going to graph them. So X, we already said, if we take a look back at our notes, X is hours. So here's our hours. And Y is dollars. So my scale for hours is going to be 1. And my scale for dollars, since this is 7.5 and 7.5, that's 15. And 12.5 and 12.20. I'm going to go with a scale of 15 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135. So my dollars are a scale of 15. My hours are on a scale of 1. Okay, so let's take a look at this equation. My nighttime guys. Our y-intercept is 30. They are starting at $30 because they get a $30 bonus. Then they make $7.50 per hour. So they get to start at $30. Then they make $7.50 per hour. So that means every 2 hours, they make $15. Okay, so this is what the graph of my nighttime employees looks like. So this is nighttime. So they're starting, they get a $30 bonus, then they make $7.50 an hour or $15 every 2 hours. Okay. Now let's graph my daytime employees. They do not get a bonus. They are starting at $0 for 0 hours, but they're making $12.50 an hour. So that means every 2 hours, it's $25. So 15, 20, 25. So every 2 hours is $25. So 2 hours is 25. 4 hours would be 50. 6 hours would be 75. And 8 hours would be 90. So a little bit higher right here. So here's my graph. For my daytime employees. So this is day, this is night. Let's erase this so it doesn't confuse you. Okay, so what is this graph telling me? Well, this graph is telling me that the nighttime employees make more money until the 6th hour. Then at the 6th hour, the daytime employees make more money. So this graph is telling me that nighttime makes more money until the 6th hour. After the 6th hour, daytime makes more money. So if we look at the slopes, the slope, $7.50 per hour for nighttime versus $12.50 per hour for daytime, the daytime has a higher hourly wage. They make $12.50 per hour. But the nighttime gets this bonus. So if we graph both of these linear functions, we can see that the nighttime makes more money until the 6th hour. After the 6th hour, the daytime makes more money. So I don't think this is hard. I think it's just a matter of understanding what all of these pieces mean. You need to understand what the slope means. And you also need to understand how to graph both of these linear functions and what the graph means. Okay, so here the slope is telling us dollars per hour. And here the slope is telling us dollars per hour. So we know daytime makes more dollars per hour, but the nighttime is getting this $30 bonus. So when we graph them, we can see nighttime makes more money, but at 6 hours, after 6 hours, daytime makes more money. So it's just a matter of understanding what all the parts mean.